Hi Morris, this is Annette Morris, and I'm bringing to you my next video. Here is how I actually put together a home good haul and walkthrough, and also a Ross. If you haven't seen my video here that shows you how I shop, then you have to go back and check that out. And this one here, how I put that together. Now I'm showing you this because these are clips from some of those videos that's up now, and showing you how I take the ideas that I see while I'm doing a walkthrough and while I'm doing slight hauls and put them together to do DIYs for my home. The first one I showed you how I shop was to show you how I thrift by checking out high ends at the stores, and then I go and thrift and find those or already have them in my collection. This is actually showing you how I get inspiration through my walkthroughs and how I take those and do my DIYs. So sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy. Now, after my walkthrough at Homegoods, I knew I wanted to do something similar to what I just showed you. Picture for wall decor, and I wanted to see if I could do the same thing. So I had yarn at home that I had picked up last year sometime, and I knew I wanted to do something with it, but I found it a good bargain, so I picked that up to put in to add to my supplies I had at home. And I decided that this would be perfect for what I was looking for. I thought I would do paper, try to do thin paper, but then I knew that would be a little bit too complicated if I wanted to do this and have a part of my living room tour in the next couple of days. So I decided to go with the macrame. I hadn't macrame in some years now, so this was really going back to what I had did years ago and trying to remember how I can keep this together. And this is the results of it. Then I decided to do another one. And with that one, I had a little bit more control, as you can see. And it turned out pretty good. I was glad I decided to explore macrame again. And this is my results coming up. I'm really glad I decided to do macrame instead of trying to put together the paper, and I liked how this turned out. Once I bordered everything and put it together in the picture frame, it looked pretty good. I hope you enjoy watching me do my walkthroughs and also how I get my inspiration for my DIYs. And like I said before, I don't always do Dollar Tree. I might include Dollar Trees in my DIYs. And now this DIY inspiration is done. I hope you enjoy watching me put this together. I have a list of all materials in the description. Now I've been so busy with putting together my living room tour for you and doing my DIYs, my inspirational DIYs. So I hope you will come back. Stay safe, be blessed, and I'll see you next time.